Hello, I'm Liam, Group Technical Specialist here at Motors Truck and Van. We're working with Autotech Connect and Mercedes-Benz vans to pilot this headset, which will enable virtual technical support and hopefully increase the skill set across our workshops through remote guidance. So shall we see what the technicians think of this as we demonstrate the headset for the first time? Come on, get the jokes out now. Let's get over and done with.
Terminator.
Universal Soldier, I've heard it all. Essentially, this headset will be used to enable an expert to connect with the technician in the workshop and see exactly what they're seeing, which will make technical support more accessible. The headset can also be used for warranty purposes, recording photographs and videos from any faults we want to submit under warranty claims. Zoom level 5.
Zoom level 5.
Zoom level 1.
Zoom level 1.
Flash on.
Flash on.
Flash off.
Flash off.
Yeah, it's just better for you to see what we can actually, like, especially I think it will help with electrical vans, like EVs. You know, because we're so new to them. And you can just go, oh yeah, that wire, that one, you know, you should be seeing 7 volts or whatever. And you go, rather than like, you can do it on a phone, but
you can't, seeing it. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to be able to see as the expert. Here we're going to demonstrate the thermal camera feature. We can use this to check which electronic components are live. Thermal camera. And now you can see which relays are actuated. Here we're going to demonstrate the screenshot and annotation feature. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the input shaft. I'm then going to highlight the input shaft with a yellow circle and send it back to the user's display. So we're going to use the boroscope feature. If you can connect the boroscope to the headset. Okay, perfect. If you can place the boroscope up behind the instrument cluster. Excellent. And focus on that control unit. And if we take a photograph of that control unit part number, select button 3. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. We're really looking forward to see how this gets utilised across Motors Truck and Van. Thanks for watching.